Hi ladies, I want to show you a comparison between the Discontinued TressAllure Shay, this is velvet cream, this one is for sale in the community section, and the Jon Renau Stella Star. And this, of course, different colors, different brand. Let me show you the similarity, and then I'll tell you what the differences are in these two pieces. Okay? You see the style? Very similar style. They're both full monotop, extended lace fronts. This is a new style. I just reviewed this. This Stella Star, sorry, they do look so much alike. This TressAllure Shay is in velvet cream, which is a very dark blonde. You can see the beautiful lace front. It's just perfect. It's some nice subtle highlights. This is a very natural dark blonde color. That's a hard one to do. Most of these companies don't have a color similar to this. Now this is a very dark blonde, so some people might say it's a light brown. It's it's neutral to slightly warm. Of course, martini is a whole different ball game entirely. But you see the similarity. Now, what's different? Now this one has been altered, okay? This Shay has been altered. I point cut some of the nape, about an inch, a little over an inch off the nape. I have thinned this out below the monotop. Now this one is average cap. It's got a little bit more bag in the crown than Stella Star does by Jon Renau. But this one, yeah, this is very wearable. The only reason I kind of decided to let this one go is because it's my natural hair color, but a long time ago. I have the same hair color, however, there's a little bit of gray creeping in. So this dark blonde and gray combination with the darker nape is just perfect for me right now. Now, here's the differences. Well, originally this has a slightly shorter nape. This nape is similar to the way I've cut this, to the length that I've cut this Shay. The density on Stella Star is much less. Neither really have permatease to speak of. However, Shay had a lot more hair to start with, and it could poof out if you didn't, tame it down. But permatease are about the same. There's almost no permatease on either one of these. Not that I can tell. But the density on this one is much lower than it is on this one. Not that this is dense, I think this is only really a medium density. But at my age, I've decided that the higher density doesn't look as natural on me, per se. But this is a great wig. I still have mine in Frosty Blonde HL. I've also altered it the same way. The other thing I've done with this one is I have taken the pinking shears and I have trimmed just this front section, the front edge, so that it doesn't make a demarcation line. It blends in with the forehead much, much better. So, take a look in the community section if you would like. You can email me at my one of my emails that I have, and this retailed for probably $300 to $80 when it came out. Your price, $105, including shipping. 2 United States addresses. I can't ship out the country, unfortunately. So, this is a good time to get a really high quality piece that has a full monotop extended lace front, nice substantial ear tabs with good coverage. Nice ear tabs with good coverage. And I don't know why they discontinued. I have no idea why. It makes no sense. Now, this is regular synthetic fiber. This is not heat friendly, so just know that. Stella Star is a heat friendly fiber. Almost all companies seem to be going to heat friendly fibers, which I don't care for. But, try to fight it, right? They do what they want to do, no matter what we want. So, there you go. Nice shaggy cut. Nice shaggy cut. It's been a great wig for me. I prefer my other color in this one. and I'm keeping that one. So anyway, I just thought I would show you the similarities between the Shay and Stella Star. I love this cut. I love this cut. It's awesome. So let me know at the email at the back of the video, and have a great day, ladies. Bye.